I'd like to look at one of our newer features called EquatIO Mobile. Take a look at your toolbar icon that appears to represent a cell phone. Click on EquatIO Mobile to expand the toolbar, and you will see a website that will redirect you to the EquatIO Mobile website, or you can use a mobile product and scan the QR code. When using a mobile product on an Android software, tablet, or mobile device, you must be using Google Chrome. In the Apple platform, you must be using Safari in iOS 11 or above. Please make sure that you adhere to these rules, or you will not have much success using EquatIO Mobile. Before clicking on the website or scanning the QR code, we must first understand that this document that I'm currently using, and I also have EquatIO open, is called my active document. Notice there is a title to this document, and this is going to become important when you launch the EquatIO Mobile product. I'm going to go back and click on EquatIO Mobile so I can conveniently click on this mobile link. Remember, there are a couple different ways to use EquatIO Mobile. I can use this from a cell phone and go to this website. If you've never been to this website before, keep in mind you will have to authenticate your Google account to make sure that you are eligible to use this feature. The one-time login will ask you to log in using your Google credentials in which you have our product installed. Click on the EquatIO Mobile website. Notice that it is currently seeking active documents. That is why I referenced that this Google Doc that I currently have open is the current active document that I'm looking for. This means that you need to click on that document in order to access the product. So I'm going to click, and I'm going to notice that I now have a toolbar at the very bottom that I can use handwriting recognition, speech input, or I can use the mobile product's camera device. I'm going to first demo the handwriting recognition tool. Notice the large, vast canvas that I have available to me for expressing handwritten mathematics. I'm going to write down some math and show how this product works. Something simple such as 3x cubed plus 2x. Now keep in mind that I have the ability, when I click on this green check, to insert this math in two different fashions. When I click, it is literally asking me, do I want to save this as math? And what that means is, do I want the handwriting transferred into a digital format? Or, for us math folks who still love to see the student handwriting, maybe I want to save this as an image. Let me see if I can demo both of these for you. I'm going to first try the save as math. Notice that I'm going to double check 3x cubed plus 2x is what I wrote down, and I can simply click on the blue circle in the bottom right corner. It is searching for that active document, and take a look right here. That is the actual digitized EquatIO Mobile Mathematics product that I just inserted into my document. I was trying to move my cursor here and move this guy maybe down here to the bottom. So that way, when you insert your math, you want to make sure that your cursor is where you want the math to be expressed on your Google Doc. Let's try something else. Go back to EquatIO Mobile, go back to the website, search for that active document, and let's try writing again. 2y squared minus 3x. And if I'm the type of math teacher that I still am concerned that students might be sharing work or not doing their own work, I might want to say, I want to see you save this as an image, and that way this math is saved and transferred to that active document as the actual student's handwriting. Pretty amazing, huh? Let's go back to EquatIO Mobile again. I'm going to go ahead and move my cursor. And when I click on EquatIO Mobile, I'm going to also have the opportunity to use the speech input tool. Now, every student and any teacher that has a mobile product probably is aware that they have a built-in microphone inside that cell phone or that tablet. So I can click and access and use that mobile product's microphone. Simply click on the record button, 4x squared plus 2y, hit the stop button, and I'm going to click the green circle and say I'd like to save this as math, and I can see that it converted my speech to digitized math. Let's now insert this into our document. Close this, and you will see 4x squared plus 2y. And last but not least, I'm going to go back to EquatIO Mobile, click on the hyperlink, select the active document, and I'm going to try the camera feature. You can now hold your math up to the mobile device's camera and select the capture button. Once the image is captured, you can then use the dialog box here to grab the crosshairs of the math to make sure that you have everything captured inside of the window. Notice that it appears I've grabbed all the math and resized my box. And when you're finished, you may select the green circle with the white check mark, and then you're posed with two questions or two options. Would you like this math converted from paper and pencil to digitized math, or would you like this entire window saved as an image inside the Google Doc? You have two options. Let's try the first one. When I click Save as Math, notice that my math was captured accurately. I can then insert this, and just like that, the math is then moved into the Google Doc. So pretty awesome that I can go from a paper or pen, a pencil-based math activity and move it or transition it into a digital state. So I can move this around in my Google Doc, provide spacing, or number my problems. Let's take another look at a different example. Open EquatIO Mobile again, access your active document, and let's convert this math this time to an image. And just like that, the image is now moved into a digital format and can be submitted digitally to a teacher using the G Suite. A couple things to remember when using EquatIO Mobile. Make sure that the mobile device you are using is on the same Wi-Fi network that your desktop or laptop might be using. Also, it may require a refresh of your browser in order for your active documents to appear. In most instances, if you've been using your active document, it will appear when you go and search in EquatIO Mobile. If you have not been using your document for a considerable length of time, your documents can tend to lose their ability to be found by EquatIO Mobile. Please click the button in Chrome that says Reload this page to make sure that your active documents appear in the search when you go to use EquatIO Mobile. This concludes the EquatIO Mobile demo. I would encourage you to pause this video so you can practice with EquatIO Mobile.